In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish an event on Wix with tickets and payments. First, we'll add the Wix Events and Tickets app. Open the Wix site where you want to host your event. On the left-hand toolbar, click Add Apps to open the Wix App Market. In the search bar, type events and select Wix Events and Tickets, the official Wix app. Click Add to Site and confirm any pop-ups. The app is free to install and will automatically create an events page and add event elements to your site, which saves time and gives you a solid starting layout. Once installed, an event widget will appear on your current page, or you'll see a new events page. Drag and drop the event section to where you want it to display, like under an upcoming events or workshops heading. Positioning it clearly helps visitors find it fast. Now let's create your event. Click the event section and choose Manage Events. In the top right, click Add Event. You can choose a ticketed event to sell or give tickets, or an RSVP event for private gatherings or signups. Give your event a clear name like SEO Workshop. Add a short description, choose a category such as marketing, and upload an event image to make it stand out. Next, set the date, time, and location. Choose whether it's a single event or a recurring one. For example, set the date to 24 August, time from 7:00 p.m. to 9:00 p.m., and select the London time zone. If it helps your audience, enable display time zone. Under location, enter a physical venue such as London Eye, London. Wix will automatically add a map so guests can find the place easily. If you like, add a longer about the event description for extra details. Click Create Draft to save everything without going live yet. Let's create tickets and set limits. In the event editor, click Create Tickets. Add a ticket type, for example, SEO Workshop. Choose pricing, a fixed price like 20 GBP, or set it to free, pay what you want, or use different prices for adults, children, or seniors. Set a ticket quantity to limit capacity, such as 50 seats. Configure whether you absorb or pass on the Wix service fee. Set your ticket policy and define the sale period. Click Create Ticket when you're done. To accept payments, open Settings in the Events dashboard. Under Payment Methods, connect Stripe or PayPal. For PayPal, enter your business email, connect the account, save, and review Wix's transaction fee info. Publish the event by opening Events, finding your draft, and clicking Publish. Finally, preview your site, go to the Events page, click Buy Tickets, and confirm tickets display correctly. Checkout works and payments route to your connected method. That's how you create and publish an event on Wix, including ticket sales and payment setup. With the Wix Events and Tickets app, you can add one-time or recurring events, set ticket prices and limits, connect PayPal or Stripe, and let visitors buy tickets directly on your site. Thanks for watching.